everyone, and welcome to this Video Sans Frontier video. My name is Jay Wakefield, and today we have a video that is not meant to be taken seriously. Last few videos I've done have been about computers, and the last video I did was me building and setting up my server. So I thought we'd have something light. Plus, I've been feeling lethargic as of late, so I thought I'd do something simple which I might not actually mess up as much. What we have here is a new kettle. Unfortunately, last Friday, at the time of recording, the 11th of March 2016, my old kettle decided that it was no longer going to work. And as a result, I have had to use one of these. A whistling kettle. Now these whistling kettles are absolutely fine, except I've been using mine on an electric stove. That's not really done much for my power consumption, if I'm going to be honest, considering my stove takes ages to heat anything up. The oven's absolutely fine, but the stove, yeah. Anyway, I went on the internet this week and I found this. This is a new kettle. Apparently it's glass, and it's got blue LEDs all around it. Nice. Could it be more J approved? So I went and bought it. It cost me £20. It's an electric kettle, power 1850 to 2200 watts, capacity 1.7 litre. Probably displaces more than most average British cars now that people can't really afford to even eat, let alone run a car. We're all having to run cars with basically motorcycle engines in them now. No, I'm kidding on. Concealed heating element. I'm glad it's concealed. Those things can get gunked up with limescale in hard water areas. Seriously. I've seen some disgusting kettle elements in my time, but then again, I have lived in East Yorkshire and that's one of the joys, the hard water. Automatic shut off after boiling, which is kind of good, and overheat protection, which is very good as well. So I think it's time we unbox this. So, first off, we have some instructions. Yeah, I know this video's boring. This basically tells you how to use a kettle, if you didn't already know. You fill it up with water, you put it on its dock, plug the dock into the wall, and then switch on the button, and then hot water happens. But you can't touch the hot water because you'll scald yourself. I know, believe me, I know. I scolded myself on Friday trying to fill something up out of a saucepan with no spout. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was not funny. So, here we go. So here is the new kettle. As you can see, it's made out of glass. It looks really quite good actually, and it's all kind of nice and chrome there, and we've got a button for releasing the lid. Very nice. Very nice. And then we have, you'll bear with me, I'll just put everything, all the packing materials back in the box, and put the box away somewhere. Now we have the docking station for the kettle. Now, this is a lot like a docking station for your Palm Pilot PDA, because I'm going to pretend it's still 1999 and that Palm Pilot PDAs are still a thing that we use. Except for it doesn't have a serial connection, or even a USB connection. It just has a plug. And because I live in the UK, we get these three-pronged affairs, and yes, they are as painful as they look to tread on. Anyway, so there's the dock. So I think we need to test this out. I think we need to actually boil this thing and see if it actually works. So let's go fill it up with water. There we go. So basically it's just a case of pressing this wee button to fling that thing open. I like that. It's also a good idea not to send my new kettle for some swimming lessons. This is so easy. And look, I can actually kind of see how much water's in this thing, see? And this is why I got a glass kettle. The plastic ones are the ones with the plastic meters. I really can't gauge how much water is in them. So I thought a glass one would actually be better for me. Anyway, let's dock it and see if we can switch it on. Now, if we're testing a kettle for the first time, would it be a smoke test or a steam test? See, if we got smoke, that would be a bad thing, but if we get steam, that would be a good thing. Both in the sense of boiling water evaporating and a means to buy, download and play games on a PC compatible platform. Anyway, what I'm going to do is just dock this, and then we push down this button, and then blue LEDs happen. Well, at least some do. Nice. So, that's the way doing what it's got to do. So we'll see. Oh, already I can hear signs of life. So I'm just going to go and get a mug. We're going to make a cup of tea, because the acid test is, can I use this to make a nice cup of tea while I'm installing Windows 98 on my Compaq Armada E500? That is the question. And I'd also like to take the time to comment on how I was getting this. Make tea, not war. Isn't that just me? It is, and this would be my stance on war if I ever was elected to government. Seriously. I'm thinking every kettle has a new kind of smell to it, but I'm going to be honest, I really don't like the smell this one's giving off. It kind of smells a wee bit sulphurous, sulfuric, however you want to pronounce it. Although the smell has kind of gone now, so that's... there we go. And that is the water, and that's the kettle boiled. So there you have it. Now, I know this kind of seems very trivial, but turns out Americans don't have electric kettles per se. They usually go for something more stovetoppy and whistly. So, yeah. To all you American folk out there, this is how we do things in Scotland. We have electric kettles. And they can boil water very nicely and quickly, which means that a cup of tea is never too far away. So there you have it. And this concludes this video, Some Frontier video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please feel free to subscribe. And also, please follow me on Twitter and like Video Some Frontier on Facebook. In the meantime, thank you for watching this video, and please join me for the next one. Cheerio then.